Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, my viewers, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my garden. For those that are tuning in for the first time, my name is Stephen Chin, and on my channel, I promote backyard gardening. The concept of backyard gardening is that you use available space at your home efficiently to grow your own food. Grow your own food is a rewarding experience. Not only that you're able to put fresh food on the table, but it also gives peace of mind. You get some physical activity and you connect with nature. Now, today I'll show you what I've cultivated in the month of June and how I'm able to reap an abundance of food within less than 4 weeks. But before we go into the tour, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so as yet. Click on the notification bell to receive the updates on my latest video. Okay? Deal. So, let's go! First, we start with the bok choy seedlings. I transplanted after the farmers market of the 1st of June. So, this is how they started. I successfully grow bok choy by transplanting the seedlings when they reach 2 to 3 inch, with or without the development of the true leaves. And I'm very successful doing that. So this is box number 2 that I transplanted on the same day. This is how they look. This is how they look 2 weeks after transplanting. Now tell me, isn't it a joy to see the plants transform from a tiny seed into a mature plant within weeks? Bok choy is one of my fastest growing plants. Now this is week 3 after transplanting. They are getting bigger and lush. At this point, it's important that you monitor the growth and add some compost around the plant, as bok choy tends to grow out of the soil. The plant can break from wind or when watering. This is 4 weeks after transplanting. Look how beautiful and lush they are. And they are super delicious and crunchy. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? And the only feed I use is compost. These plants thrive in well-draining soil, full sun, at least 6 hours a day, and sufficient water. I also transplanted some callaloo on June the 15th. Callaloo is a very popular vegetable in the Caribbean, especially in Jamaica. I love callaloo with saltfish. Let me know in the comment section how you like it prepared. Now they can grow in average, well-draining soil, but they also thrive in dry, clay-rich soil. Callaloo plants are sun-loving plants, at least 6 hours a day. I usually space them 10 to 12 inches apart. They can tolerate a little crowding, but not too crowded. So this is how they look on the 15th of June. This is how they look on the 15th of June. Yes, on the 15th of June after transplanting. This is how they look. And this is how they look on the 28th of June, just 13 days from transplanting. Very lush and healthy. They look very lush and healthy. So now I'm very excited to give you a tour of the raised bed that I have created. I will put the link of the video in the description and show you what I've cultivated in here. This raised bed was placed in a small unused space, and this highlights the fact that you can use any space to grow your food. Can be small, can be big. Use your available backyard space wisely and efficiently. As you can see, I have planted a variety of leafy greens, bok choy, kale, celery, all flourishing here. So this is the 8th of June. This is the 8th of June. You see some bok choy, some celery, and there we have the purple clay. And this is the 27th of June. That's 19 days after transplanting. Look how lush they are looking. Look at the kale. As you can see, they are growing healthy. There we have the purple kale. You can see some curly kale. There we have bok choy. It's a mixed bed. There we have curly kale, the green curly kale. I also have some celery in between. Look at that, some celery. And there's also a callaloo plant there. Look, some celery. So I have a mixture of vegetables in this box. So lastly, I want to share with you the celery I have planted. In this raised bed, I previously had lettuce, which I enjoyed, but now I've done a crop rotation by growing celery. Celery has a lot of health benefits and is rich in nutrients. I've also planted some Scotch bonnet pepper, which I will show you in a minute. Look them here, the Scotch bonnet pepper. In the next video, I will show you the progress of these plants. So this was my June update. Look out for the July update. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. I appreciate that very much.